I can't recreate anyone's exact style, but I'll capture the punchy, friendly vibe, step by step and easy to follow. Today I'm making a lamb and potato korma with fluffy rice. Comfort in a bowl. First, rice. Rinse 1 cup basmati until the water runs clear. Into a pot, rice. 1¾ cups water. A pinch of salt. A tiny knob of butter. Bring to a simmer. Lid on. Low heat, 12 minutes. Then off the heat, keep it covered. Don't peek. Now, flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons ghee or neutral oil in a heavy pot. Add 1 sliced onion, a pinch of salt. Cook on medium. Golden, soft, about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in 3 cloves minced garlic. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 30 seconds till fragrant. Spice time. 2 teaspoons ground coriander. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom. Toast 30 seconds. If it looks dry, add a splash of water so nothing burns. Lamb goes in, about 1–2 pounds. Lamb shoulder, cubed and patted dry. Season with salt, pepper. Sear until it loses the raw pink on the outside. 3 to 4 minutes. Add 2 small waxy potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks. Pour in 1 cup water, or low-sodium stock. 1/2 cup tomato puree, or passata. Stir, scrape the bottom, bring to a gentle simmer. Lid on, low heat, 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. Creamy finish. Stir in 1/2 cup full-fat yogurt, or coconut cream. Keep the heat low so it doesn't split. 1–2 teaspoon sugar to balance. A squeeze of lemon. Adjust salt. For silkier texture, add a splash more cream, or a splash of water. If it's thin, simmer uncovered a few minutes. Check doneness. Potatoes tender. Lamb fork soft. Taste. Needs warmth. A touch more garam masala. Needs brightness. More lemon. Back to the rice. Fluff with a fork. Optional, stir in a handful of chopped cilantro. A pat of butter. Plate, rice down. Generous ladle of korma on top. Fresh cilantro. Toasted almonds. Drizzle of chili oil for heat. Quick recap so you can pause and cook along. Rinse and simmer basmati. Rest covered. Caramelize onion. Add garlic and ginger. Toast spices. Sear lamb. Add potatoes, stock, tomato. Simmer. Finish with yogurt or coconut cream. Season and balance. Fluff rice, plate, garnish. That's a cozy golden korma that tastes like a hug. Simple, rich, and weeknight friendly. Save this for your next comfort cook. Eat well.